Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Avocado channel. Today we are going to make a kind of Oriental dessert. It's called Sawaba Zainab or Zainab's fingers. It's popular in Egypt and in many other Arab countries. I hope you enjoy watching the video. First, we want to prepare the sugar syrup. 1.5 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and cinnamon. Boil, then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, little vanilla extract. Boil for about 8 to 9 minutes. Then it's ready. Let it cool and prepare the dough. For the dough, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup soft semolina, 1 teaspoon sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, quarter teaspoon dried yeast. Mix all the dry ingredients, then add quarter cup of melted ghee or oil. Mix with your fingers until become like sand. Now add orange juice. You can use water instead of orange juice, little by little till the dough is soft. Don't over knead. I used about half a cup of orange juice and 1 or 2 tablespoons. The dough is soft. Let it rest. Just rest for about 10 minutes. Then in a plate put some starch or flour. Make small balls. The starch prevents the dough from sticking while working with it. You can use different kitchen tools in order to shape the fingers. Now let's start to fry the fingers. In a pan, put some oil on low medium heat. Put the fingers in the hot oil. Fry on both sides till golden. Put immediately in the cold sugar syrup. The sugar syrup should be cold while the fingers should be hot. Let in the syrup for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then put in a strainer to get rid of excess syrup. Now it's done. Golden, crispy from outside and soft from inside. I hope you like the video. Till we meet again. Goodbye.